Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Fatima. Welcome back to Various Variety. As I am working with children, I have to do lots of workshop all about children. And I also wanted to share with you guys some of the tips. Today I am going to talk about parents. Do not compare your child with other children. This is most important for parents not to compare their children with others. Why, parents? We compare our child with other? Because each child is unique and special. They have something special on it. But we parents compare with other children. Your friend is so smart, he knows so much about things, and you are older than him, you don't know anything about this. Your cousin, he always get A on his math, and you always get C. You don't know anything. I feel shy for this. My friend's child, he is so smart, he always get A on all of his subject, and you always get C. Do you know what this means? It means I let my child to learn from them because I don't have time. If I don't have time, then I don't need to talk my child like that. We parents, we need to teach our children, not them. Every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes, we need to talk our children. We need to find the solution, how we can improve our child instead of compare with them. Do you know? Compare my child with others. How they feel? They feel so sad and depressed. It's hard to heal them. It gives them stress, lower self-esteem, and also they hate their sibling and friends because they know their parents love them, not us. Because children are so sensitive. They think their parents don't love them. They love their sibling and them because they know better than me, not me. It's better not to talk with your child like that. You can find a problem. You can find a solution in positive way to improve your child. However, this effect will bring down a child instead of improving it. Try to positive way improve your child. If we compare our children with other, this effect will bring down a child instead of improving it. We should find a solution, positive way. We can speak with our children. We can find a solution how to improve our children instead of comparing it with others. That's all for today. I have a small request for you guys. Please share with your family and friends. Thanks everyone.